Splash! The entire planet was ocean. The Starberry dove straight in. Whoosh! Water surrounded them in every direction. An entire world, completely underwater. Biscuit pressed his face against the window. Fish bigger than buildings swam past. Glowing creatures pulsed in the blue. It is like space, but wet, he whispered, jaw dropped. Click, click. Their spacesuits transformed. Fins popped out of their boots. Visors sealed. "We are divers now," said Rocket, kicking his fins. Swoosh! Off he zoomed into the blue. Luna gasped. An entire city made of coral. Towers of red and purple coral spiraled up. Archways of living reef. Sea creatures swam through windows and doors. "It is alive!" she breathed. Hundreds of tiny glowing fish swarmed around Pip. "Hello, welcome. You are so small, just like us." They seemed to bubble. Pip giggled. He had found his people. He swam with them in circles. They swam through a forest of bioluminescent jellyfish. Pink, blue, green, each one glowed like a living lantern. "Do not touch, just look," said Luna. It was the most breathtaking thing they had ever seen. An enormous purple octopus blocked their path. 8 arms crossed grumpily. Big, angry eyes. "Shh," it rumbled. "You are too loud." Its tentacles waved irritably. "But we are barely talking," said Biscuit. "Barely is too much," grumped the octopus. "Fish splash, bubbles pop, everything is noisy. I just want quiet." Pip floated up to the grumpy octopus and whispered, so quietly only the octopus could hear. Its angry eyes softened. One tentacle uncrossed, then another, then all 8. It smiled. Finally, someone who understands quiet. "Follow me," said the octopus gently. It led them to a hidden cave behind a waterfall of bubbles. Inside, the most beautiful underwater garden. Glowing coral, gentle fish, peaceful silence. "My secret place," it whispered. They sat in the quiet cave together. Gentle bioluminescent light pulsed softly. Tiny glowing creatures drifted like stars. Nobody spoke. They just breathed. "Sometimes quiet is the best adventure," whispered Biscuit. Whoosh! The Starberry launched from the ocean into space. A spectacular splash of water and bubbles exploding upward. The octopus waved 8 arms goodbye below. "Shh," it said, smiling.